Lord, I have reached the end of myself. What I cannot do, you can do. Nwere Ike Nile. I have cried through silent nights, carrying weights too much for me. Try to fix what I was facing, but nothing set me free. Obimjuru na ebu. My heart was full of fear, and my hands were growing tired. Every door I pushed stayed closed, every hope felt dry. Then I remembered who you are, the one who parts the sea. What is impossible to man is small to you indeed. You are the all-powerful God. Nwere Ike Nile. Mountains move before your voice. Chains must break and fall. You can heal what I cannot. You can raise what died in me. You are the all-powerful God, and nothing is too hard. Oh, I release what I've been holding. I place it in your hands. No more trusting in my strength, Lord. I trust your greater plan. I put my trust in you. Even when I cannot see, if you speak one word over it, everything can change. Demons tremble at your name. Darkness has to flee. When the King of Glory rises, who can stand against? You are the all-powerful God. Nwere Ike Nile. Storms grow still before your hand. Fear must lose its hold. You can do what none can do. You restore and make me new. You are the all-powerful God, and I belong to you. Move again, move again, move again. Do the things no man can do. Move again, move again, move again. Please help me. Open doors, heal hearts, break chains, start now. Hey, Nwere Ike Nile. Nwere Ike Nile. Nwere Ike Nile. All power belongs to you. All power belongs to you. Nwere Ike Nile. 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 You are the all-powerful God. Nwere Ike Nile. Now my fear has lost its voice. Hope is rising high. What I thought would bury me became a place to see your might. You are the all-powerful God. Forever you will reign. Nwere Ike Nile. You are mighty. nothing is too hard.